Good afternoon. My name is Lei Pan, and I'm the founder of Nion Metals. We are supported by Michigan Technological University and the Eagle Mine, owned by the Lundin Mining Corporation. Eagle Mine is the only primary nickel mine in the United States. Our mission is to supply refined battery materials from both conventional and unconventional resources. Nion's technology platform is a revolutionary advancement. It is a flexible process, taking various nickel and cobalt resources as a feed. Our pilot scale demonstration is planned for 2023. Nion Metals' long-term vision is to address the refining problems of battery metals, which is identified as one of the key challenges faced in the electric vehicle supply chain. Currently, the United States produces 0 refined nickel and cobalt metal product from either primary ore or secondary resources. In contrast, China produces 70 to 80% of the refined battery component globally. Nion Metals will demonstrate the mass separation and production of the battery-grade material from Eagle's mine tailing. To date, Eagle's tailing facility contains 63 million pounds of nickel, 3 million pounds of cobalt, and nearly 20 million pounds of copper. Together, these are sufficient to manufacture nearly 300,000 electric vehicle battery pack using NCA or NMC A11 chemistry. Over 75% of the remaining nickel and cobalt are recoverable using Nion's technology platform. Currently, research, development, and demonstration on production of battery-grade material is ongoing. As you all know, new mine permitting, feasibility, and construction can be a lengthy process. Nion Metals can take mine tailing right now from Eagle's operation, as well as from future nickel operators in the regime with 0 mining cost. In addition, Nion's process can convert waste and hazardous material into inert material while extracting valuable battery metals, which will eventually help the permitting of the new nickel and cobalt mining project here in the United States. Nion Metals is looking for senior executives to join our management teams. Please feel free to reach out to us if you would like to discuss more about this project. Thank you very much for your attention.
The 20-mule team is a decades-old California icon with as much pioneering spirit today as it had in the late 1800s. Located in eastern Kern County, today's mine operation may look different, but our commitment to safety, quality, and people is still intact. From the moment you pass through the gate, it's safety first. Training, safety protocols, and peer review are essential tools to keep staff safe. We pride ourselves in delivering a quality product. Stringent testing and attention to detail are at the core of our brand. And last but not least are the people making it all happen. Their work is meaningful and satisfying. Their pride is apparent. But don't take our word for it. Listen to theirs.
I love working at RTBL.
It's a great company to work for.
I love to be surrounded by the people that I'm surrounded by.
Some of the best in the industry that I've been with.
It's like a second family out here.
I have a lot of pride vested in this place, and I would say that that brand behind me, it really means a lot to us working here.